Ba't parang quiet naman dito sa room na to?
Hindi sila kakatake ng picture mo. Oo. Pero magchichikahan lang tayo. This is pero bago yan, I'd like to ask, di ba you get to play the game also along with your fellow brand ambassadors sila Piolo, Sarah, and Mateo. How was your experience?
The experience was very fun. I was just asking sila today na actually kung may time ba na nagkaroon yung Sun Life ng isang day na lahat ng brand ambassadors nasa isang shoot. Hindi pa daw. So first time yun na lahat kami nasa isang shoot. Kasi usually ibang shoot yung ginagawa namin. And it was so fun because all of us we really had fun playing. Parang naglaro lang talaga kami sa shoot na yun. Ang ganda ng rapport namin lahat, yung chemistry. And it's nice because I felt like, I was playing with family and friends. So, super fun. I think it's something that everyone should try out, especially with people that they're close to or your friends, because you will really learn a lot, especially about financial literacy or anything that can happen all of a sudden in your life na hindi mo ma-expect. And it's very nice also for those who are not so aware of, what we can possibly have through Sun Life.
That's very true. And yeah, we can see in the video that you were really just enjoying. Doesn't seem like it was being shoot nga eh, diba? So, let's start with a real fireside chat. And we will take our cue from the game. No? So, first question, and this is for you. Tell us about the time when you had to shell out a big amount of cash unexpectedly, and how did you handle it?
Unexpectedly? I think it would have to be during the pandemic. Kasi bigla na lang lahat tayo nawala ng work and we were all at home. So thankfully, through the guidance of my parents and advisors, I was able to have things. So doon ko nakuha yung mga kailangan ko. Like, for example, yung basic needs sa bahay kasi naka-lockdown tayo lahat. And anything I would need just to buy like food, electrical bills, pay electrical bills, water. And just to be able to sustain like wherever I am or whatever sickness. Nagka-COVID din ako 3 times yung time na yun. So, it was very important for me to have a savings. Yeah.
Correct, no? And it's really important. And tama yun, na buti na lang talaga na may savings, no? And this one also, since napag-usapan niyo yung paghahanda, one of example of life happens, this goes for Miss Carla naman, is critical illness. Paano makakatulong ang insurance doon po?
Okay, so when we say critical illness, usually it's not something that we want to happen to us, right? So an example would be cancer or heart attack or stroke. And we hear friends or family members getting those kinds of illnesses. And syempre, ayaw naman natin mangyari sa atin or sa pamilya natin, right? But if in case it does happen, Sun Life has particular life insurance products or critical illness products can actually help defray the cost of treatment, rehabilitation, and recovery for those kinds of illnesses. Now, the products that we offer, what's nice about it, Marga, and I'm sure you know this, it's different from your usual health insurance because the benefit we pay out to the insured. We don't give it to the hospital. So the insured now has the option to go to whichever hospital he or she wants to be treated. So for example, like me, I have a Sun Fit and Well product too, and I'm covered based on the face amount that I've purchased. And it gives me now the peace of mind because I wouldn't need to, think about saan ba ako dapat magpapagamot. But rather, the choice is already there sa akin. Kasi I know that I have the funds that can help me whenever, sana hindi mangyari, but when it happens.
Alright, and I totally agree that it's really for peace of mind because like what you don't know what's gonna happen kung kahit fit ka ngayon, sa tingin mo, macho ka, but you still don't know when critical illness hits you, right? Now, let's talk about a win naman. And this is for Donny. Tell us about a win you had recently and what did you do with that extra money that you have?
A win? You mean like financial?
Yeah, financial win. Like merong extra, may dumating na blessing sa'yo, parang ganon.
Dumating na blessing. Siguro po yung latest endorsement ko.
Yeah.
Ano ba yung latest endorsement? Yung executive optical ba yun? Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Pero siguro kasi pag nagkakaroon po ako ng endorsement, I be sure to put it in different places, hindi lang isa. So siguro yung extra money, I probably used it in investing in real estate. Yeah. That's something I'm very passionate about, is investing in real estate. Because a lot of it, most of the time, goes up lang, diba?
Correct.
Yeah. And you're really putting your money somewhere else, aside from a bank.
Right.
Yeah.
And that is what we call diversification. You diversify your money.
Yes,
You put
yes.
it in insurance, you put it in real estate, you put it also sometimes in business, right?
But another win, sorry, can I just add, hindi
Yes.
related sa pera. Kasi ito yung parang related sa experience. I think another win that I really enjoyed was flying to Korea recently, which is why I couldn't be sa Sun Life event, because I interviewed Ryan Reynolds and Hugh Jackman. So I think that was one of my favorite wins this year as well. Yeah.
That's very nice, no? That's very nice. Yeah, that's a really true win, right? Now, to Miss Carla naman, talking about fun, the fun part about having unexpected money, like for example, like what Donny shared man, is that you can grow it through investing. What do you think are the advantages if you're doing it via mutual funds?
Okay, so mutual funds, I like it because for as low as 1,000 pesos, you're already diversified. So, you know, as you mentioned a while ago, Marga, there are several financial products and investment vehicles that people can use to grow their money. But with mutual funds, for as low as 1,000 pesos, you can already invest in Sun Life, and depending on your risk appetite, your investment goal, and your objectives, Sun Life's fund managers will do the investing for you. You just need to choose the fund that fits your objective. Whether it be a short-term financial goal, or a medium-term financial goal, or a long-term financial goal, we have several funds available. So personally, okay, I'm sharing also my experience. Personally, I have 3 mutual funds. So I have a money market fund, which is essentially meant as a parking fund. That's where I keep my emergency funds. So if, for example, like what Donny mentioned a while ago, when COVID happened, of course, we know that some people, income wasn't as stable. And so I make it a point to have 6 months worth of emergency funds. So that's where I put it in the Sun Life Prosperity Money Market Fund. Now for my midterm goals, or something that I intend to build within 5 to 7 years, I have the Balance Fund. So the Balance Fund now is a moderately aggressive fund, which is meant to probably grow my money for a particular financial goal. So whether it be, let's say, a down payment for a real estate property, or probably also buying a new car, or probably treating myself and my family members to a trip somewhere to Japan, then that balance fund can be where I put my fund. And then the last would be the more aggressive fund, which is the stock index fund or equity index fund, which invests naman in equity companies in the Philippines. So that's for a more long-term financial goal, which is retirement. So those are the funds that I have available. And all of those, the Sun Life Prosperity Funds, for as low as 1,000 pesos, you can already start your investing journey.
Galing, no? Thank you, Miss Carla. And I think our audience, especially our clients, have captured that. And if you're interested, you can always talk to your financial advisors in details, no, about it. But it's really good. No, so I have a question also for Donny. Donny, can you tell us about a good money decision you made recently?
Yung sinabi ko kanina, yung property siguro, yung latest property na nabili ko. Kasi right now I'm investing a lot in the south because I live in Laguna, and I feel like in that area, sorry, south of Manila, I feel like that's where the next big developments are gonna be. So a lot of people are going away from the city, you know. They really see like the importance of like being beside like nature or whatever. So mas doon ako nag-invest at sa mga beach areas. Yeah. But can I just say, I really like the fact that you could start a mutual fund from as low as 1,000 pesos, because it shows people that no matter how much you earn, you can invest in your money. So that's really nice to hear, especially for those who are just starting, maybe students who slowly want to start their investing journey already. Yeah.
That's what I like about Donny actually, because Donny is very, I would say, very wise about his money. So at such a young age, he has already diversified. And in fact, no, because not many people realize or have that long-term goal of ensuring that whatever you earn, you don't spend everything right away, to put some of it towards the future and probably to set you up for future successes. And so I think Donnie is really a good role model for our Gen Zs. And just the fact that he has all of those investments, is very aware of investing his money, is actually one way also to encourage more Gen Zs to start thinking about the future.
Pero sobrang importante din ang mga advisors from Sun Life. So, hanga po ako sa inyo. Ako si Tita Gemma yung advisor ko. And siya actually nagsabi sa akin, she was the one who educated me with all the policies. And remember, when I got my policy, I wanted to make sure na it's a combination of insurance and investment as well. So I'm very happy that, we went through it talaga, all the policies that you could get. And I got a long-term one too, yung sa Sunfit and well, diba? And it's nice because I know that if I put my money there, my health is not just covered, but I also have secured money in the future that I can use when I pull it out. Yeah.
That's very nice, no? As young as Donnie, and we actually have a lot of young, no, in the audience, man, who can, I'm sure, can relate. Kasi sabi nga, it's not really how much you earn, but how much you keep, right? So very important that you save. Now to Miss Carla, there are some people who really knows how to handle their money well. Do you think they still need a financial advisor?
Kanina lang nasabi ni Donnie, di ba? In fairness, di ba? No, that's good if you know how to handle money well, because that's the very basic thing that people need to learn, no? Budgeting, saving, perfect cash flow management, debt management. Now, why do you need a financial advisor still? It's because financial advisors can help with risk management, with long-term financial planning. They're also very aware of all of the financial products that are available in the market. And so they also have the access to those financial products. And in fact, for example, life insurance and mutual funds, you need to purchase it via a licensed financial advisor. It cannot be purchased anywhere else. And the reason also why you have a financial advisor, it's because they study it, they are trained about those advanced financial concepts, so they can explain to you if a particular fund performs. They also would know and will be able to give you advice which financial product will match your investing appetite, will match your time horizon on when you want to achieve that goal. And also, apart from that, they can also help you monitor if you're closer to that goal. And so, that is the beauty of having a financial advisor. But apart from having financial advisor, I also would encourage everyone to learn about the basics of financial planning. There are a lot of personal finance resources available now online. But choose, of course, always choose to get your information from a credible source. And you can learn about all of those things also online apart from consulting with a financial advisor.
And play the game.
And play the game, of course.
Yan, yun, di ba?
Pwede gawin.